What's up, guys? Will H, and today we are taking a look at a massage gun. So a big shout out to the company that sent this over for a review. I'll drop the product purchase link down below. So I'm going to go over a few of the features and details. This has 5 speed levels. It's going to be low noise output, lightweight design, comes with 6 washable and replaceable massage heads that can be used to treat muscle pain, stiffness, and to reshape and relax the muscles. Has 12 millimeter amplitude. It features a touchscreen. Has 6-hour battery life. It's only recommended that you use it 15 minutes at a time. Has an aluminum alloy handle, and it has an IC chip that's going to help to protect it from overheating. So those are a few of the features and details. Here's the packaging that it comes in. There are a few more features and details on the packaging here, but there's a good picture of the device right there. It says lightweight and portable, unique noiseless technology, powerful rechargeable lithium battery, multi-gear selection. And like I said earlier, this is going to help to relieve muscle pain, stiffness, and pain. So on the back of it, bumpy cam, sorry about that. You got integrated structure, AI chip, 10-minute interval time settings, humanized button, mini, portable, original American MOS FET, not sure what that means. The amplitude 12 millimeter and high quality UV curing paint. So that is some of the features and details. Like I said, I'll leave the product purchase link down below if you guys want to go over and read up some more about it. We're going to go ahead and get this plastic off. I think I'm going to start taking the plastic off before I do these unboxings because that glare is kind of hard, make it hard on these eyes. So it's a lot better without that. So here are a few more of the technical specs right here if you guys are interested in that right there. So let's go ahead and get the box open. Check this out. Let's see what we got here. So very nice presentation here. Everything is in the packaging here. What I think I'm going to do is get everything out, and then we'll go by each piece individually and describe what they're for. So just hang tight for a second. Okay, guys, so I have everything out of the packaging. This is everything. So first off, you're going to get your charging cable, which is micro USB to USB-A. I do kind of wish this was Type-C. You're also going to get your instructions manual right here. You guys see right there. It's going to tell you everything you need to know about the product, how to turn it on, how to use it, different things like that. But what I was mostly interested in was this right here. It's going to tell you what each individual massage head is for. We'll get to the massage gun in a minute. Let's go over these. So this first one right here, this is called the spherical head. This is going to be good for massaging your arms, your waist, your back, your buttocks, your thighs, calves, and other muscles. That's what that one is for. And then next we have the spade head. This is ideal for areas for relaxing back, cervical spine, and waist muscles. So that's what this one is going to be good for right here. Then next you have the conical head, which is this one here. Now this is good for deep tissue impact like the meridian, joints, palms, and plantar surface. That's what this one is for here. Next, you're going to have your flathead. That's this one. Flathead is good for relaxing and increasing muscle flexibility. So that's what that one's for. Then next, you're going to have your Y-shaped head for deep tissue impact, including meridians, palms, soles, and more. That's that one. And then the last one is called a thumb-shaped head. That's this one. It's for deep tissue impact, including meridians, palms, soles, and more. So that explains which each one of the massage heads are for. So next we have the massage gun. Very nice looking, plastic and rubber. And then the metal material here just looks really nice right here. On the bottom of it, it gives you some of the specifications right there and has a nice weight and grip to it. Health and relaxation right there. This is where the massage heads are going to go. And then on the back, you have your display here. So you got your power button. You can decrease the sensitivity, increase it, and you can see your battery status. So let's go ahead and turn it on. So as you guys see, when you turn it on, it has a blue light there around each one of them. You do have your intensity right there, your battery, all lit up right there. So if I start it up, you can hear the sound. A little bit louder than what I thought it was going to be. I can decrease this. So that slows down the pulsation right there. And then you can stop it. So we're going to go ahead and place one of the massage heads in. And all you have to do is just place it in like that. There's no button or anything you need to place or push. So I got it on. Let's go ahead and start it up. Put it on the lowest setting. And this is kind of massaging the palm of my hand right here. Feels very nice. Now I'm going to increase the intensity. That's the highest. That is on 5. And that's really digging in right there, guys. So here it is doing my forearm. And, you know, you got different ones for different parts of your body that you may need to massage. To change them out, you just simply pull it out like that and replace it just like that and start all over again. So as you guys see, here it is. So yeah, overall, I think this is a pretty nice device here. It's small enough to put in your travel bag or gym bag or whatever if you need to take it. I think you're going to get some great battery life out of it. 6 hours battery life, but don't recommend using it but 15 minutes at a time. It's a little bit louder than I thought it would be. Still look like it's going to be very nice. So that is my look at this massage gun. I'll definitely leave the product purchase link down below if you guys want to go pick this up. Will H, I'm out.